Bunenchera yamo yokwene kinga chira chabete chikulie gono muraiben sito Kenya Musike William Ruto gocha sorongo rwagusi chabere chigwikiranirwa nigo litkolya lero aba permanent secretary babire bagutara chinsemo chokagachwa enyagitari ya cancer asorogongo rwa Kisii School immediate town ya Bosongo county ya Kisii
mumanyite esente ya chagitanga imyaka ibere ya elire ikaroswa lakini karatene nake esabugulia ya mangana ndabete contract ni chikasichinde lakini ekere manene bwenso yo muya President William Ruto iregasiye okoba amangana ya afya arenge genteke mukiaba begite sichipila kirisano chapeta tukuru kapeta plan agatebe genteke gekoru gekonya abantu bayito tari gusiyo karakini western
bagukwana chinsemecho nabono kuragwa no permanent secretary asamangana yoboralia Samarita Isabuke napigo mu permanent secretary kurwasamangana yobochenu Olunga igobona babiri bagukwanira kubatikana neganga yo muraiben sito Kenya William Ruto ili kwenekinga bono chinsemecho choborwalia asendwali ya cancer cyabire chikwagachwa ili kwena na obugweni ko cyasaba menyi kurase chinsemechi cha Nyanza.
Cancer becomes a big problem for two reasons. One, it is that it is one of the reasons why many Kenyans die prematurely, but more painfully is the fact that even as we lose lives very prematurely, it is also quite costly in terms of the treatment.
We believe your coming is a demonstration of the seriousness you have given this project. We know, as you have said, the cancer burden in terms of impact and cost is high. And the faster therefore this project is accomplished, the better.
Kagukwana chinsemecho ngabreka kweko kile kubatikana nebitambukiro na wigo chinjira orogongoro rwabere ro kwagacha osikili abreka ukwana na kwenekinga no gati yechira chabere chikubekwa na serikali ya Kenya Kwanza ili kwenekinga bono chinsemecho chabere chikwagachwa na bono guikirana kwena na obya bobo chengo cha saba menyibe county ya Kisii na Goetania.
This institution is part of the response of the Kenyan government to ensure that we establish more cancer centers in the country. This is a national government project that we are doing. It has been conceptualized for a very long time. It had taken time off, and late last year we began this project. As you can see, it is progressing very well. We want the contractor to ensure that this project is completed by the end of this year.
We know that this is a serious project, the progress is good, but we want to request you, Dr. Oluga, that let it be done even faster.
Bagukwana chinsemecho nikobona babire bagukwanira kubatikana no kwiro kwabire gukubekwa na serikali ya Kenya Kwanza asikili abreka ukwana na kwenekinga nigobyo bobora people kwenekigwa asenjere ya kwenekinga bono chi project chonsi cha magenderero cyabire kigo cyakigwa nabona kubwatirerwa gwika kwera likwenekinga bono ubyo babire bugwikera omo Kenya ukawaida
omanene byense uyo tenerete bono igare arigite mangana ya magenderero kapisa. Development is his focus. Ago koranebi biya ukora. And this project is a big project. No way you encourage billion is actually a testimony ngaya ebinto anyolete bindi byatigirete ncherana byagenda to koragere bikoru abantu bito bakoyo. And muno muroje amagendera gawo cha Kenya ngima. Tari asamura tabego gale ga tariga. Usiga nensi eyemo ya Kenya androji bintakole
ayani kagokolekana magayo muraiben sito Kenya William Ruto gukora etaro asorongorwa Kisii na Nyamira angechibikibere cyabire kigweta ase kiliabire kagukwanera nabona kwenekya obya bugutoka kwa magenderero ekero bono rugongo rwa gusiro rabero kubwatana nabona gusaba ikirano ase serikali ya Kenya Kwanza ku reporter ya Voice of Victory Eritreane Wilson Omenge.